That's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Flashback.
I'm bored. May gusto ka bang gawin?
Tara, may gusto akong puntahan.
Saan na naman yan?
Secret.
Baka abandoned na lugar yan na.
Tara na, yayain din natin yung iba.
Basta puzzle.
I think we need to like enter.
Here,
Basta yung stamina. Shit. Kasunod kita yan.
Dani.
Flashlight.
Basta yung stamina.
Back door.
I agree.
Back door. Saan yan, ate? Balaw na. Back door.
I got bought a locker room there. Like, what the hell?
I know.
Ayan yung locker room.
Malay
It's
mo,
so big.
malay mo, ababo mo tayo estudyante. Grabe ka man.
Ang ina yan. Open field, sabi locker room. Easy.
This locker room is the size of a whale.
Kaya nga.
Wait lang.
Insane.
Ikaw na, Jing. Actually, I watched this video dati. Gusto ko lang i-try. Baka ito sa locker room, te.
Maisip ako na ubos yung stamina, guys. Tara, oh! Guys, yaka ako sa gym. Sa gym.
Oh, shit.
Jim?
Oh, basketball.
Oh.
Oh, shit. What the hell is this?
Kasi kagtuon.
Balik man gyapon ito. Yung nakita ko na itong duki.
Buktan niya.
Wala pa, te. Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay na. Basement.
What? Anong tree ito?
Sakura.
Holy shit. Asan kayo, guys?
Ano?
Purple.
Nandito.
Purple.
Purple sakura tree.
Yan, sa lock na tahan.
Saan? There's 2 doors.
I think si ano raw, si Ashak San?
Ano daw?
Japanese folklore.
She likes to mimic them because don't let yourself be deceived. Lindy, wait lang! Turn back now before it's too... Hindi ko gets. Malaw na.
Eh, turn back na lang daw. Ba't siya kaglaro? Oh!
Shit, what's that?
Ikaw! Nanana.
Mas kadadlock sa demonology. Ay! Shit! Sa likod lang! Ano sa likod oh?
There. Kasi ano siya, parang kanaris ano?
What?
Si Michael Jackson.
It is so. Ashak sama.
Kaya gusto ko
Michael Jackson
tabag-quit
yan
eh.
Oh, basement. Hello.
Sa basement.
Where? Ano yung game? Oh,
Oh shit.
What?
What's...
Brown out
Tapos,
dito.
nakita.
Grabe, nag-eskwelahan da.
Ano yun?
Iya pa ako.
Jump scare, jump scare, jump scare, jump scare, jump scare, dude. Michael Jackson.
Oh shit.
Guys, last ako, guys.
Ha?
Michael Jackson.
Weird.
Si Michael Jackson yan.
Laki ko lang. Una laki. Sis Jaina.
Behind us. Oh shit, that was Jaina. Animal.
Opens the door.
What the hell?
And now we're in Chinese Tower.
Wait,
This is Chinese.
Sure ka? Parang Japanese?
Ay, yeah, Chinese.
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 Shit, I'm scared.
Maybe.
Laki ka una.
Spanish architecture.
Oh shit.
I'm scary, Aisa.
Sabi ito.
Michael Jackson pa rin eh.
Being chilly.
Find the key to the hidden door.
Alin to batan nyo?
It's a Chinese man.
Oh, it's the guy from Minecraft.
Pinoy. Pinoy.
Uy, Lucky.
Guys, balik ang feeling ko safe doon.
Laki, mas nahadlok ko ba ako, Lucky, kung nahadlok. Mga basic una, be. Uy, wait lang. Mama.
Oh, hindi daw. I'm scared ka to, what the fuck?
Sin ka mo?
Sing ka po, guys.
Be, una, Jing.
Right.
Easy ba nga? Na,
Right muna tayo, Kat. Right.
Oh.
right. Left dun, Jing.
Wow, lagi ko pro kong get to nung.
Dun yan, na ano ako.
Right, kita na, right.
Ah, sige.
Music ito, tika. Background music ito,
I don't get it. Taman kailangan may painting.
Every painting siguro is...
Oh shit, she's over there.
Saan?
Tika mo tika.
Shit. Mama!
Ay! Safe, guys, yung sudbuan na tuki.
Ha?
Safe ata iya. Kasi di siya pumasok.
I don't know, Jing. I really don't know.
Sige mo na eh.
I don't know. I'm in a dark room.
Huwag mo sabihin.
No, patay ako.
Please, ay sabi.
Masina malatagid ba per me?
Try nyo kaya abang nagagas ako.
What?
Putang patay na ulit.
Oh no. I know that shit. I played these games.
Shit!
Ano yan?
It's a key.
Go, holding up with that boy shit.
Sin ka?
Loading ba sa'yo?
Buhay, loading wifi.
Still straight.
Ano?
What the? White lady ata.
It's shock ka na.
Ano yan, Lucky?
Uy, madya nag-inom taba ako akong kape nga bukan.
Nadawa, dayog mo, Jing.
Dali ako.
Dahil mo kumuha kasi papanta. Pwede ma-skip.
Ha?
Maste.
Tama na lang ba?
I haven't seen your hand before. And faith.
Alam, di ba? Tangin na wala ako. Puro bullshit.
Are we soft lock?
Tatang ina, can't move.
I can't move either. I think we're soft lock.
Itapos yung
What?
story.
Click nyo, man. Click nyo naman.
Ay, baligid click tagali mo.
Ah,
Tang ina, ginatap, tagali, boy shit.
Buo.
Okay na. Let's do it.
What's a biswa?
Yeah,
Like,
pala.
ano ba yan? Yung parang small guitar?
What do you mean biswa? It's a biwa.
What's a biwa?
It's a parang
It's kinda like
Weeping Angel.
Wait, I think
Yeah,
the camouflage siya. Oh my god, it's a weeping angel.
angels everywhere.
It's a weeping angel, guys.
Oh my God. Dami na.
Hello.
Ano magapunta?
Oh shit!
Come on.
Nagatan.
Ano
Ano yung panggahugan?
Weeping angel, ganijing.
What Weeping Angel?
Ano?
What?
Ha?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Kita mo to,
Dami
Jake.
nagsasawa.
I've watched enough documentaries.
I think we need to like go sa right na lang. Eh, parang sila nga pala.
Nandyan rin sila, Jing.
Uy, kamay.
Oh my god, my heart is pounding. Shit. Gusto ko pa mabuhay, te. Nasaan mo?
Alam na ako ngayon.
holy shit.
Oh shit, it's a dead end. Nagkamali ako, tang ina.
No. Masira. Corners. Kulang sa corners.
Kaya nga, search for the door.
Oh my God.
May lever kasi here, oh. Oh, yeah, kita sa ano, guys, sa lever. Oh my god. Guys,
Hindi ko mapindot ever.
oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Ano to? Ba't may ano?
Wait lang, Lucky!
Infinity Castle.
Sa younger.
Saan?
Parang may ito, no? Kabang.
Sa middle part?
One thing.
Oh, shit.
Wala. Oh shit.
Ay, gago. Ay, gago, sorry.
Tama, okay lang. Uy, B, what the... Ay! Lucky, ano yun, Luck? Lucky, nagbago ka na. Ano to?
Why is there a paraplegic?
This is all her doing, man. Wish you might as well. I don't know why that. All I do know that is that she is some sort of evil entity. What's related to a Japanese myth I've heard about.
And why is it in Chinese characters? Why is it in Mandarin?
Eventually, those targeted by her.
I don't think the game maker knows the difference between Chinese and Mandarin. Chinese and Japanese.
Yeah.
That's really funny.
Oh,
And I
Naman.
Naman?
saan si Elmo? Elmo? Ay, loading. Sorry. I'm not sure.
Takbo, guys!
Why? Yeah, take a Jing.
Kala ko.
Ah, funny kita, Jing. Funny. Funny yarn.
Funny or?
Ano to, backroom?
Ay, takbo, gid man, Jing. Takbo.
Tayo. Where?
Backflip mo si Jade Padhang.
Tingay tahi! Tingay tahi!
Yo, pangurog ako kaya.
Dewa, saan ka to? Uy, shit. Bro, just cheat.
What?
Piling ko iba-ibang...
Parang 90.
Guys! Ba't may Sigurado. Paglamin ko sel mo.
Saan ka, Jade?
I'm the floor under you.
Oh?
Oh my God.
I'm already progressed.
What?
I'm the elevator. That door.
Oh, gusto niya ako, Lucky.
Ayaw na.
I don't know, Lucky. I don't know.
What?
Palangga ka na ako, Lucky.
Namo.
Ikaw ang aming taga-sagip. Sagipin. Wala si Lucky.
Namo, lingko. Kago.
Oh,
End of chapter 1. Yay!